Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the system and protecting yourself. Disconnect the battery and relieve refrigerant pressure per procedure, then wear gloves and eye protection. Once safe, loosen the drive belt and remove the compressor mounting bolts. Keep hardware organized and label hoses so you can reassemble correctly. While you work, take clear photos of hose routing and electrical connectors because those visuals speed reinstallation. Make sure to place the unit on a clean bench and inspect the external housing for obvious damage. You now disassemble internals to find the root cause. Remove the clutch and front cover, then extract valves, pistons, and the shaft assembly so you can inspect surfaces for scoring or pitting. Measure clearances with a feeler gauge and caliper and compare to the service manual. Small excess play means replace bearings. Excessive piston clearance means replace pistons or the entire kit. Clean all oil and debris from passages with solvent and compressed air. Then lay out new seals and parts in sequence for reassembly. You reassemble using new seals, bearings, and correct compressor oil. Lightly coat O-rings and torque bolts to spec to avoid distortion. Once mounted, reconnect electrical and refrigerant lines. Evacuate the system to about 29 in Hg. Then charge with the exact refrigerant amount the vehicle requires. Start the engine and cycle the AC while watching high and low side pressures and listening for abnormal noise. If pressures are wrong or noise persists, shut down and perform a soap bubble leak check at fittings. This single step often reveals hidden leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.